If you've been watching some of the latest cars we've gotten in and pictured and these videos uploaded to our website, you'll notice that there have been some of the late 60s to mid 70s GM convertibles. This is another one that came out of a collection out of North Dakota. And this particular car we're going to sell the way it is. You can probably save yourself a few bucks, and if you'd like to put a little bit of TLC into it, hey, more power to you. I'm going to walk around, kind of show you a few of the things I see and that I know that it'll need. And one of the first ones up front here is obviously the filler panel on the left over by the headlight. As you can see, the driver's side one still in good shape. When I talk about the filler panel, talk about that between the fender and the front bumper. We see these broke out quite often. Like I said, we're just going to represent this one the way it is, and if you'd like to do a little work on it yourself, save yourself a few bucks. You can see a little tweaking to do there and put that filler panel in. This particular car powered by the big 500 cubic inch GM V8 underneath the hood, paired with an automatic transmission. Other than that, power steering, power brakes, cruise control on this car. Have not had it out on the road to see if the cruise works. I can tell you the wipers work. The power seat on the driver's side works fine. Passenger side I could not get to move. Windows obviously all go up and down. Power top works. Top is in nice shape also. White vinyl top on this one. You can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com if you'd like to check out that top. Car is pretty straight up and down the side of it. It appears it's had a repaint along the way. I would say the paint is a driver quality paint, has a nice luster to it, but you will find blemishes in it, and I'll point some out as we get around to the back where I noticed some. You can also check out the underside pics of this car, engine bay, interior. Underside look good. There's some scaling, of course, just on the frame, but it does not appear that it is rust through anywhere bad. Like I said, you will have some scaling and some surface rust. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's pictures of the interior. Check out that dash. The dash is in nice shape, not cracked or weathered. Again, up and down the side of it, pretty darn straight car. I'd mentioned some of the blemishes you'll find. There's a little one back here, and I got that pointed out in the pictures also. Little scratch I noticed up along here. I mean, is the paint perfect? No, but still it's a nice luster. It's presentable. There's a little flaw in it too, I noticed with the top. Kind of there you can see a little. It was the way it was prepped before it was painted, or maybe something wasn't quite perfect. Come around to the back, see the filler panels back here. Nice shape. Didn't notice anything real broken or cracked. Those look good in the rear. Was a little spot in the paint up here too. So again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, this came out of a collection out of North Dakota, and a lot of later 60s to mid 70s GM convertibles. Save yourself a few bucks on this one. Selling it the way it is. Nice running car. We'll start it up here a second. Like I said, power top does work. Vinyl top is in nice shape. Come around and take a look at the interior. It's interior is not in bad shape in this one. It's not ripped, torn. Just your typical how leather will wear. We'll start to get the kind of wrinkles in it from how it bends and folds. Carpeting, dash, door cards, all in decent shape. I'm going to go ahead and start this up. Like I said, very nice starting running car. Very smooth. Hardly hear it running. Like I said, I went through some of the components on the inside here. The blower fan did blow. Wipers worked, like I said. Windows all the way around work. Driver's seat worked. All directions. I did not get the passenger one too. Slip around to the back. Not a smoke or anything like that. Just running smooth. Again, take a look down the driver's side. Seems to be a pretty darn straight car. I'm going to slip up underneath the hood. We'll pop the hood, like you see the engine bay. Pretty much just stock underneath that with that 500 cubic inch V8. That is paired with an automatic transmission, by the way. Let me pause this and we'll take a look under the hood. All right, hood pops, so you can see this engine bay. About what you'd expect under a 1975 Cadillac hood. We've got 500 cubic inch V8. Smooth running vehicle. I've driven it, doesn't drive out bad. We've had it up and down our frontage road. And like I said, buy this one the way it sits, do a little TLC on your own, save a few bucks, and you end up with a darn nice Cadillac Convertible when you're done. 1975 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. And once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com.